There's over 250,000 water main failures per year in the United States. The cost exceed over $1 billion per year. Soil corrosion and graphitization is the root cause. Dr. Z, a certified corrosion specialist, and his team has come up with a graphitization sensor that locates and determines the extent of graphitization on a live pipe. As the rate of municipal water main failure is expected to increase, the existing gray iron infrastructure continues to age. Team Matergenics will be at the site of water main break immediately for failure analysis, condition assessment, corrosion mitigation by cathodic protection, coating or backfill. We are committed to our job and our team will be there 100% on time. Other water main related services are pre-assessment and GIS corrosion mapping, indirect and direct assessment, failure analysis and soil corrosivity surveys, engineering solution, post-assessment, technical training and water corrosion studies. For more information visit www.matergenicswatermain.com or give us a call at 1-800-685-9952 or 1-412-788-1263. Our offices are located in British Columbia, Pennsylvania, California and Florida. Matergenics Materials and Energy Solutions, where failure is not an option.